Welcome again to the fourth and last edition of eTV. At Maxim Integrated, we see electronics in action. This production line integrates sensors, highly efficient power supplies, and high-speed communication products. So it's a perfect example for the performance of Industry 4.0. But there's still so much more to discover at Electronica 2014. So let's go look at some other product highlights.
TDK presents the EPCOS Sera Plus, a new component that generates efficient and space-saving cold atmospheric pressure plasma.
The technology works that way that you apply input voltage to the transformer. Due to the high electrical field, plasma is generated in the gas which is flowing around the transformer.
Cold atmospheric pressure plasma can influence, among other things, the surface properties of materials in many ways and without damage. Thus it is used for cleaning, disinfection or odour reduction in healthcare and in industry. u-blox provides complete solutions with embedded semiconductors, software and support for location-based services.
So the technique behind this product is that we're combining a motion sensor that will sense the motion of the vehicle together with the signal from the GNSS, and we will combine those two together to bring synergies and to enhance the position vehicle.
In the interconnected world of the future, this technology will not only be used in vehicles. u-blox sees great potential in the field of consumer applications. Equipped with the device, children or pets, for example, could be located and tracked in real time.
Electronics will continue to have a big influence on our lives, there's little doubt about that. Trend researcher Sven Gabor Janszky will give us his impressions of a multifaceted tomorrow. So, what does our future look like with electronics?
We prepare for a situation when everything we see here at Electronica will lead us into a situation of smart electronic assistants. Okay. Smart devices which are more intelligent than me in my pocket and which I can use for every situation in my life. Okay. I get offers for when to water my plants, so really simple things, and then not that simple things like financial advices and advices for health and healthcare. Yeah. So in every situation of our lives, of our work and so on, we will be accompanied by intelligent assistants. So there is one term, Internet of Things. Everybody knows this term, but nobody knows what's behind actually. So what we foresee is 50 billion connected things by the year 2020. And what is 50 billion? This is tables, mirrors, wallpapers, of course glasses and watches, all these stuff. And not in a far future, not in science fiction things, but by the year 2020.
Wow, it's kind of an amazing thing to look forward to. Thank you so much, Mr. Janszky.
Thank you.
The future will take shape in the hands of today's young talents. At Student Day events, future engineers make contacts with the industry. This is also the context in which the Cosima Award is accorded to the best and the brightest.
To ensure quality and innovation in the electronics industry, the next generation must be inspired and trained. Traditionally, Electronica provides the framework for the first contacts between students and companies. Here, young people can find out where the journey is going and where to keep up to date. Here, the most topical exchanges take place, so trade fairs are still of great importance, even in an increasingly virtual world. Those who have opted to study engineering can participate in the Cosima Award. They are looking for microsystems that facilitate the interaction between man and technology. The first award this year goes equally to two student groups. The Scipio team developed a measuring instrument for clean drinking water.
It's based on the SODIS method. This is used in developing countries to clean contaminated water, because due to the UV light in the sunlight, bacteria and viruses are killed. And with our stick we can measure this process and we can tell when the water is safe to drink.
The second winner is the Team Joint Watcher with variable run-in shoe cushioning, which is controlled by app.
So the runner can decide which kind of cushioning he wants, if he wants it hard or soft. So if he's running on a field or if he's running on concrete, he can decide what is best for me, for my running style right now. For this we got a shoe from Adidas. We put all the electronics and all the parts in the shoe. It's just in the heel of the shoe, there's our mechanical solution that we can move up or down to adjust the dampening. It's controlled by an electric motor that's controlled by a microsensor, and of course the battery to power the whole unit.
Both teams have taken the first step in the electrical sector with the award. Congratulations!
Well, I must admit that for me, electronica has been truly electrifying. But let's listen to the views of Dr. Reinhard Pfeiffer and some of the other exhibitors at Electronica 2014.
Electronica 2014 is definitely a success. We had more exhibitors. The situation is very good in the electronics industry, and you could feel it during this fair, and we are looking forward to Electronica 2016.
The good mood was reflected this year in the number of visitors. More than 73,000 visitors from 80 countries came to Munich.
Significance of Electronica is that in a few days you get all the customers over here on the booth. And on top of it is helping us to brand our company and to brand our products as well.
So I think the Electronica is very important because you have here a lot of networking possibilities.
All the key suppliers participate in the show, and it's the one-stop event where you can come and basically inform yourself about the latest technology and products.
Electronica provides this great forum for us to kind of stand up and show the world what we have.
Electronica is extremely important for the whole industry, specifically here in southern Germany, to be able to be with all of our customers and demonstrate the latest technologies that are available to them that can then be put into production in the future.
So this is the last edition of eTV, and I'm glad you've been able to join us at Electronica 2014. Until the next event, you'll be able to find all of our shows online at electronica.de. We thank you for your company, and we hope you'll join us again in 2 years at Electronica 2016. Until then, bye-bye.